Hey guys, welcome to June's Mini Garage. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove the chrome paint from plastic model parts quickly and safely. Let's get started. I am currently working on the AE86 by Ayoshima. And as you can see, some parts are pre-painted in really shiny chrome, like this exhaust, brakes, and also the wheels. But I don't really want my brakes to look like that, so I'm gonna strip the chrome. To do that, I use LA's Totally Awesome. I bought this from the Dollar Tree. You can also use bleach, but it would take a little longer for the paint to come off. You will need a small container to put the parts in. In this case, I just get a water bottle and cut it in half. Then I drop my parts in and give it a few squirts. You don't need to soak them in the solution, just enough to cover them. I also give it a few shakes, then I just let the chemical do its job. After 5 minutes, the chrome has been completely removed. So I rinse all the parts with water and then dry them with a paper towel. Now they are ready for a primer. You can also strip acrylic paint with this product. Here I have a piece painted with Tamiya acrylic paint and I would like to strip it down. The good thing about this is this will only remove the paint, but it won't do anything to the primer. So that's it. I hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you're welcome to check out my other tutorials as well.